So yeah, your furnace goes out. You know, the first thing that we're gonna do when we get there to your house is we're gonna check the thermostat. A lot of these thermostats today have different settings that if they get bumped or tweaked, and that can happen sometimes pretty easily, we're gonna check that and make sure that that's operating correctly. And then the second thing we're gonna check at your house is gonna be the electrical. Maybe someone bumped the switch downstairs or a breaker tripped for some reason. Those are gonna be the first two things that we're gonna check there. And then once we do that, we're gonna get to work on diagnosing the actual problem and open up the furnace, and our technician's gonna start the sequence of operations that they follow on every call for diagnosing. Yeah, a great story for you guys would be new homeowners had moved in and they went to turn their air conditioning on and it just wouldn't work. They couldn't get it to work. So we got there. The first thing again we do is check the thermostat, checked it, and then we go out to the unit to start diagnosing, and there was no unit there. So they actually did not have air conditioning. They didn't know it. They just they assumed that they did because the thermostat had cool on it. Not quite sure how that didn't pass a home inspection, but they did not have air conditioning. So that was a real simple fix for us. We were in and out of there pretty quick. It's not a big deal. Things happen, life gets busy. That's what we do for a living. We were happy to check it and get them taken care of.